Hi, I'm Shari. Got my Boxycharm, so I wanted to come unbox it. And I'm gonna jump right into it because Carmen's running around impatiently. Nothing new there. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to finish this, but I want to jump right in. Welcome to my channel. I'm Shari. I do unboxings and whatever else. I have a crazy toddler who... I got my Boxycharm. I don't know if anyone else noticed, but yeah. I heard Catherine McCarthy say it. She calls it the incredible shrinking box.
And I noticed that too. So I see you, Boxycharm, trying to make us...
Inside the box, the products. The vibe for the month is, it says Totally, which is cute. We have the products. I'm gonna start with this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. It says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, this lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin, helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Let's just... a few little drops. Put it on my face. It feels good. Feels hydrating. $42. Wonder Beauty, we usually get a lot of things from Wonder Beauty. Next we have this Steve Laurent lip liner. And it says reshape, resize, redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding. All day long, lasts up to 7 hours. $15. So that looks... You can see this being waterproof. I'm gonna put something over it though. Fresh sugar cream lip treatment in Gilt. Okay, that's a good base for something like that, for like a lip treatment. It's a good base for underneath it to keep the whatever. Anyway, Tarte Big Eagle mascara. It says ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. $23. And this is such a pretty color. It's like a hot pink. If you can see that. The color I had in my room growing up was hot pink. It reminds me of that. It has a big wand. Look at that big wand. Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. This is $25. I'm not sure if you get 2 for $25. I don't have the ColourPop kind, but I've seen a lot of people comparing them to the ColourPop. French Vanilla. And this is Huckleberry. Huckleberry French Vanilla. We have the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. It says weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So, here's the powder. It's not all the way full. There's a little seal. It says keep me closed to keep me cool. I was just excited when I seen you get this box, you know. I just love being my Boxycharm. So anyway, I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation on so I can test out that powder. I have this Natasha Denona Base Glow Foundation. Now I'm just waiting for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I don't think I'm gonna get my Ipsy the small bags this month. because I was getting 2 of them every month, and it just, you know, with that money I could be getting an extra glam bag. I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna cancel them. I didn't pay for them or nothing yet. I keep getting notifications, but it's like, I wonder if the points I accumulated through those, if it'll all go on one. There's one way I could do that, because I don't want to waste all my points from reviewing and stuff and just let that go. But if anyone knows about it, can keep your points, because I want to keep my points. There was some of my Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour. I haven't used this in a while. Concealer. Okay. Here's my concealer. Blowing that out. When I have time to, I do this technique. It's the reverse contour. So you pretty much, instead of adding darkness, you're adding light. Still gonna contour too, so I don't know. Use my Milk Makeup in Baked. And it's cool, it's like a little bouncy net. Just go on and get the powder. It does feel wet. Not wet, but cooling. Yeah, it does. Okay, that felt wet. I don't get what people say. They're saying it does feel wet. It's cool. Feels pretty cool. Feels wet, but it feels kind of cool. Like not badass, but it feels cool. Like hot and cool, feels kind of cooling. That's neat. I usually don't like powder, because it makes me look so dry. But hey, I can put this little paper back in it too. Make sure it's closed, because I like that powder. I like it. Moving on. I'm gonna go to the eyes with these things from Ace Beauty. This coastline color here. Put that in a crease. That's pretty. I didn't really need anything in the crease. I could have just went in with this and blended it out like I'm doing, because I'm kind of covering that up anyway. I added some to the other eye. I'm gonna check with this color in the middle. What are you looking for, Carmen? You don't play with mommy's stuff, okay? Please don't. I think I need to really cut my crease, but I'm gonna just do it anyway, I suppose. Really gonna cut my crease. It's kind of like jelly-like. Pretty neat. these out. Cut those edges out. And go over them with some more of this stuff. Put some of that silver in the inner corner. Some on the bottom lash line, I guess. I'm gonna do my soap brow thingy and I will be back. Okay, so here's my crazy brows. Carmen's freaking out, so I'm not a very big mascara person. I hate mascara. I hate when it pokes me in the eye, and this big boy looks like it's gonna do that. It's mascara. There's that mascara. It's Wet n Wild's Cucumber Mist. I happen to really like it. This messy little boy. Messy little boy, look at right there. Say hi. Say bye. Go kisses. Oh, so cute. Okay, go play. Alright, I never add up my boxes or anything, so I don't know how much that is. Okay, so we have the Becca Hydra Mist at 39. We have the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil at 42. Tarte Mascara at 23. Ace Beauty at 25. And the Steve Laurent Lip Liner at 15. So, however much that is. And I'll put it on the screen if I can. But yeah, thanks for coming to my unboxing. Totally. I don't mind the eyes. Alright. Thanks for coming to my unboxing. Hope you're having a good one. And we shall see you soon. Bye.